Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to convert logical drive into primary partition in Windows 7. So this is my computer management screen, and you can clearly see that the D drive is the logical drive and the other two drives, that is the C and E, are the primary partition. So a logical drive is the one that is non-bootable and a primary partition is the one that is bootable. So this is the basic difference between them. Now in order to convert this logical drive into primary partition, what you have to do is you have to download one software. So I have this link with me and I will give this link in the video description. You can copy it from there. So just copy it, go to browser and just paste it in the URL bar. So you can download the software from this site. So the site is IMagick. So just go down, and so this is the software that I am talking about, iMagick Partition Resizer. So it is available for Windows 10, 8, 7 and other version as well. So what you have to do is just click on it to download it. So the setup is now downloaded. Just click on it and now just run this exe file to install the software. Click on yes, click on next button, click on install button. Just uncheck this read online manual and now just click on the finish button. So in this window you can see that it is showing all the partitions here. So just click on the logical partition, right click and just click on this option, convert to primary partition. Just click on the OK button. Now just click on this apply changes button. Click on OK button. Click on OK button. So you can see that it is successfully converted to primary partition as it is showing here, primary. Now we will close this and go to our computer management screen. So just right click over my computer, click on manage. Click on disk management. And you can clearly see that the D drive is converted to primary partition. So this is how you can convert a logical drive into primary partition in Windows 7. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.